is Jessie from the Glencoe Public Library, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a bumblebee using the supplies you picked up at the library. Your craft kit should contain the following things: 1 yellow foam ball, 1 yellow pom-pom, 2 googly eyes, 2 long pipe cleaners, 6 medium pipe cleaners, 1 short pipe cleaner, 1 paper flower, and some sequins. You'll also need a few items from home: glue, whatever kind you have at home, black paint, a small paintbrush, and some tape. First, paint black stripes onto the bumblebee's body. The easiest way to do this is to make a circle out of a piece of tape, stick it to the bottom of your foam ball, and then stick the ball to a piece of paper. That way, the ball won't move while you're painting it or while it dries. Some of the yellow paint might come off when you take the ball off the tape, but don't worry, that part will be on the bottom, so no one will see it. While you wait for the paint to dry, it's time to work on the other parts of the bumblebee's body. Glue your 2 googly eyes onto the yellow pom-pom to make your bumblebee's head. Then, find your 6 medium-length pipe cleaner pieces. You'll want to make an L shape on the top and bottom of each one, facing different directions. It should look like this when it's done. These are your bumblebee's legs. For wings, bend the 2 long pipe cleaners into a letter U shape. Is your bee dry yet? No, mine isn't either. While we wait, why don't we give our bee a nice flower to hang out on? Use the sequins in your kit and anything else you have at home to decorate your flower however you like. Once the paint is dry, glue the bumblebee's head onto its body. Next, put 3 legs on each side of the bumblebee. Bumblebees are insects, and insects always have 6 legs. Next, add your 2 wings. Put one side of the wing into the ball and then the other. Finally, put the bumblebee's stinger on its butt. Voila! Now you have an adorable bumblebee friend.